If you want to discover 20 of the most effective ways to earn income from the comfort of your home, make sure to stay with me until the end of this video. I'm Yashar, and I hope you're doing great. You're watching the RTM Yash Trader channel, the first and only YouTube channel teaching advanced RTM method price action technical analysis. While our main focus is on advanced RTM price action strategies, we've also decided to cater to beginners by offering comprehensive tutorials on wallet setup, exchanges, brokers, and various investment methods in the digital currency world, all based on popular demand from our community. Today, we're diving into an exciting and lucrative topic: earning income. Many of us dream of breaking free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind, and I'm here to show you how it's possible. When we talk about earning income, the first thing that might come to mind is the financial markets, forex, and digital currencies. You're absolutely right. These markets are among the most profitable and efficient ways to earn income. However, it's important to recognize that they are also some of the most challenging paths, requiring significant skill, dedication, and perseverance. Becoming a professional trader is a long journey, full of ups and downs, and it's far from the instant success often portrayed on social media. Those advertisements claiming you can become a trader in 3 months by buying a package or course are nothing but empty promises. If you browse Instagram and YouTube, you'll encounter countless trading strategies and plans, but the reality is that 90% of them are just fluff, drawings, and words that don't hold much value. Trading is a science, and like any science, it requires proper education under the guidance of a knowledgeable mentor. You need to move beyond classic methods like indicators and oscillators and embrace analytical methods that allow you to read the charts truly. This involves hands-on practice, maintaining a trading journal, developing your own trading plan, and not relying on signals from others. Effective trading also demands a deep understanding of psychology and capital management. The journey to becoming a trader involves a grueling 7-step process that demands resilience. I've covered these 7 stages extensively in a dedicated video, which you can find linked above and in the description. Watching it will undoubtedly transform your perspective on trading. If you believe you have the determination and resilience to succeed, we have just the program for you. About 14 months ago, we launched a groundbreaking RTM mentorship course featuring the FSCM teaching method, a novel approach inspired by Canadian university teaching techniques, which I developed myself. This program is entirely free and includes workshops on success, psychology, and capital management, which are ongoing. If you're truly committed to changing your life, all these trainings will be uploaded to the channel over time. Trading in financial markets undoubtedly requires initial capital. Engaging in these markets is one of the many ways to earn income, but it's important to note that there are proprietary trading firms that allow you to trade with their capital once you prove your skills by passing their challenges. These firms let you keep a significant percentage of the profits you generate. In the world of digital currencies and forex, trading is just one of many methods to earn income. There are various approaches, including futures, spot trading, holding, lending, and much more. I'll discuss these methods in detail in an upcoming video dedicated to the different ways to earn dollar income in the digital currency and forex markets. Another popular method of earning income today is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products and services for major companies and earning commissions on sales generated through your referrals. For instance, by joining affiliate programs of big companies like Amazon or ClickBank, you can obtain referral links and promote these products through various channels. If someone makes a purchase using your link, you receive a commission. This model is also prevalent in the financial markets, with brokers offering similar opportunities. To fully capitalize on opportunities for earning dollars from home, let's delve into a method that has become quite popular: affiliate marketing through exchanges and brokers. When you register with these platforms, you receive a referral code that you can share with friends and acquaintances. Whenever someone uses your code to sign up and completes a transaction, you earn a commission. However, there are a few important points to consider about this type of affiliate marketing. Firstly, the commissions tend to be quite low. So, to generate substantial income, you'll need a high volume of referrals. This is just one aspect of affiliate marketing, and there are many more sophisticated methods out there. For instance, one of these methods is drop shipping. This approach does require initial capital, unlike the previous method. You simply obtain a link and focus on advertising and investing time. In drop shipping, you identify a high demand product in a specific market, find a supplier, often based in countries like China, create your own brand, and have the supplier manufacture the product under your brand name. You then purchase these products in bulk and ship them to major online marketplaces like Amazon, where they are sold on a platform with massive traffic. Amazon, being the largest online market in the US, provides a global opportunity. I know several people who have successfully pursued this method, although it does require an initial investment of at least $10,000 to $20,000, and it comes with its own set of risks. However, with the right techniques, it can be highly profitable, though experience is crucial. As I mentioned earlier, the visible part of affiliate marketing often involves low commission methods. However, there are high commission strategies that offer significantly higher earnings. These are specialized and technical methods that I engage with indirectly, although my wife is a professional in this field. If you're interested in exploring this area further, we can provide you with the necessary information. The third, and arguably the best method for earning income from anywhere with just an internet connection and a smartphone, is YouTube. To succeed on YouTube, you need to demonstrate a skill and produce valuable content that attracts viewers. YouTube places ads on your videos, and you earn a substantial portion of the ad revenue. The key requirement for monetizing your YouTube channel is to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Once you meet these criteria, you can enter into a partnership with YouTube. Unfortunately, the current trend on YouTube favors sensational content over educational videos, meaning that entertaining or viral content is more likely to generate income. If you can create engaging and fun videos, this could be a great opportunity for you. If you need assistance, feel free to reach out to me for guidance. If you're worried about monetizing your YouTube income due to living in a sanctioned country, don't fret. Many intermediary companies can activate a Google AdSense account for you and handle the monetization process, taking a small percentage as a fee. The next method, which I believe is the fourth on our list, is freelancing. This requires proficiency in English. If you have a particular skill set, numerous freelancing websites connect you with clients worldwide. By creating a strong profile and showcasing your portfolio, you can secure projects from various employers and earn a significant income. Recently, many people globally have found success through freelancing. If you are fluent in English, registering on these sites and building a robust resume can connect you with employers from around the world, enabling you to receive work and earn a dollar-based income. What does it mean to be a freelancer? A freelancer is someone who works independently without signing a formal contract with an employer. This method of earning dollar income doesn't require initial capital, but demands significant time investment. By dedicating time and effort, you can achieve impressive results. Many skills can be monetized in this space, including translation, typing, web development, programming, and more. Platforms like Freelancer, Upwork, and Fiverr allow you to register and start working. By signing up on these sites and presenting your educational background and portfolio, you can connect with employers and demonstrate your capabilities. Commitment, professionalism, and certain technical and communication skills are essential for success in freelancing. Perhaps surprisingly, the fifth method for earning dollar income is through gaming, one of the easiest and most enjoyable ways to earn. You can make money by participating in popular computer games like Fortnite, PUBG, and Call of Duty. Winning in these games can earn you income, or you can create content while playing and upload videos to platforms like YouTube. Gaming has a massive audience, and many gamers generate income through their channels. If you have skills in developing computer games, you can sell avatars or items like weapons and clothing on platforms like Steam Workshop. Sites like G2G facilitate interaction with other gamers, allowing for the exchange of information and products and creating a great income opportunity. The sixth method for earning dollar income is through teaching. If you possess a special skill or expertise, platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable provide an excellent opportunity to monetize your knowledge. These platforms allow you to create and offer courses to a global audience. You can design comprehensive courses from beginner to advanced levels and leverage interactive tools to enhance the learning experience. Additionally, these platforms support marketing your courses, helping you reach a wider audience. Teaching online not only provides financial rewards, but also the satisfaction of helping others achieve their learning goals. However, this method demands fluency in English, as it is the primary language of instruction for a global audience. By effectively communicating your knowledge and engaging with students, you can build a reputable teaching presence and generate a steady income. With dedication and quality content, teaching online can be a highly fulfilling and lucrative venture. For professional photographers, a lucrative avenue for earning dollar income is by leveraging stock photography platforms such as Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images. These platforms serve as marketplaces where businesses and individuals actively search for high quality images to use in their projects, websites, advertisements, and more. By uploading your photos to these platforms, you can showcase your talent to a vast audience of potential buyers. Furthermore, photographers can also accept custom orders from clients who require specific images tailored to their needs. This provides an additional stream of income as you fulfill their requests and deliver the desired photographs. With each download or purchase of your images, you earn royalties or commissions, allowing you to monetize your photography skills. Engaging in artificial intelligence, AI, presents a promising avenue for earning income through collaboration with AI companies, participation in AI competitions, or teaching AI courses. Individuals can generate substantial revenue. Proficiency in AI skills is essential for this method, but the potential opportunities are significant. By tapping into the rapidly growing field of AI, individuals can leverage their expertise to meet the demand for AI-related services, contributing to both personal financial growth and the advancement of technology. Next, we have click-based earnings, where you are paid small amounts for clicking on ads and viewing them. Many platforms offer small payments per click. However, this method provides the least income and requires significant time and energy, making it less recommended. Earning through app advertising is a lucrative method for software developers. By integrating advertisements into their applications, developers can earn income through various advertising networks. This approach capitalizes on the widespread use of mobile apps and the potential for reaching a large audience. Developers can monetize their apps by displaying targeted ads to users, earning revenue based on ad impressions, clicks, or conversions. As one of the most common methods of app monetization, app advertising offers developers a straightforward way to generate income while providing valuable content or services to users. Finally, Twitter has unveiled a novel method for users to generate income through their tweets and posts. With this feature, content creators can monetize their content by offering exclusivity to premium account subscribers. By restricting access to certain content to paying followers, users can earn directly from their engaging tweets. This innovation aligns with the increasing trend of creators seeking to capitalize on their digital content. It not only empowers creators to monetize their Twitter presence, but also incentivizes followers to subscribe to premium accounts for exclusive content access, expanding Twitter's potential as a source of income for users. Exploring these diverse methods empowers individuals to discover the most effective ways of earning dollar income from the comfort of their homes. By leveraging their unique skills and interests, individuals can tailor their approach to suit their strengths and preferences, whether it's through freelancing, teaching online courses, or venturing into e-commerce. Each method offers a pathway to financial independence. This exploration allows individuals to unlock their full potential, transforming their passions into profitable ventures and paving the way for a more secure financial future. By subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications, you ensure you never miss out on our latest updates and in-depth analyses. We're committed to providing you with valuable content. Thank you for choosing to be part of our community. And we extend our best wishes for a fantastic day ahead, filled with knowledge and inspiration.